Hey guys, Kyle here with Norsk Lithium. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the key features of our 24-volt 90 amp hour lithium batteries. These batteries were designed using lithium iron phosphate or LiFePO4 chemistry and is specifically designed for powering 24-volt trolling motors in either a boat or a kayak. We offer two versions of the 2490, a heated version and a non-heated version. Both versions come in a BCI compliant Group 31 case, weigh about 45 pounds, and are IP67 waterproof. Before we get into our advanced features, let's briefly cover the benefits of lithium. Now, compared to lead acid, these batteries are half the weight, deliver twice the runtime, and they charge up to 5 times faster. That means less weight in your boat, more time on the water, and a complete charge overnight. Lithium is also able to deeply discharge without losing capacity over time, resulting in an extended lifespan. Now, using lithium batteries to power a trolling motor provides full voltage until they are nearly depleted, unlike lead-acid batteries, which slowly lose voltage as they discharge. This means with lithium, your trolling motor maintains a maximum thrust and speed over the entire discharge of the battery. These are just some of the benefits you get with lithium and why everyone's making the switch. Now let's talk about the reason everyone's making the switch to Norsk Lithium batteries. Our marine batteries are jam-packed with a variety of advanced features. First, our batteries feature an advanced battery management system. The BMS, which is like the brain of the battery, provides a variety of protections like short circuit, overcharging, and reverse polarity. Also, the BMS provides temperature monitoring. Now, the heated version of this battery is equipped with thermal core heating technology. This feature automatically warms the battery cells when charging at temps below freezing, ensuring a safe charge once the optimal temperature is reached. This helps preserve the life of the battery and is a critical feature for any angler wanting to charge during spring and fall where the temps get colder at night. Another advanced feature found in the 24-volt 90 amp hour is Bluetooth. This allows you to connect your phone to our free Norsk Guardian app. We've designed this app from the ground up with features not found in other battery apps. Once connected to Guardian, you can monitor multiple batteries in the same time, create battery groups with custom names, check the battery's charging status and current draw, set up alert notifications, and activate advanced features such as deep sleep. With deep sleep, you can easily disconnect the power from your battery's terminals right from the Guardian app, eliminating phantom draw and preventing fully discharged batteries. This feature is perfect for seasonal or long-term storage. Now, if you don't have your phone, you can access deep sleep through the one-touch power management button on top of the battery. This button, along with the state of charge meter and bright LEDs, allows you to check your battery status or access advanced features such as resetting the BMS. This meter is really handy to have if you want to quickly check the status of your batteries. Next, let's talk about lifespan. These batteries are rated for over 4,000 charge cycles. One charge cycle is completely draining the battery and charging it up again. That translates into about 15 to 20 years of dependable performance. Along with these advanced features, extended lifespan, and superior construction, we've backed our batteries with a 10 plus 2 year non-prorated warranty. That's 10 years standard and an extra 2 years when you register your batteries through the Norsk Guardian app. We've designed these batteries through feedback from our team of pro tournament anglers and fishing guides, making sure you can trust them in the harshest conditions. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance battery for your trolling motor, check out the 24-volt 90 lithium battery from Norsk Lithium.